Hey guys, welcome back. So this is another video of this playlist, case study 3. You can see costumemeller.com. So this is the third website where we will going to see the whole case study of this. And what you need is you need to understand these 5 points. Check the niche, put the site in SEMrush and check the pages, export and copy the site. So these are the 5 points which are very basic point in order to understand, in order to see a blog. So let's move to the blog and see what this actually looks like. So here you can see costumemailer.com. So this is basically a tool based website, and you can actually make these type of tools using AI and ChatGPT and DeepSeek. There are tons and tons of AI tools available. So what you need is you need to create these type of tools. Here you can see budget calculator, size calculator, color matching tool, theme generator, and fabric calculator. So these type of calculators are uh, easily, you can make them easily using AI tools. All you need is to give a prompt to AI tools that, hey, ChatGPT, I need budget calculator like this. So if you just create me in HTML form or CSS, so use two languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So and then come on the your WordPress blog, and then just install a plugin which is uh, I just forget the name, I guess WP. There's a plugin, where you just put the code in the plugin, and it eventually works the best. So this is how you create a website like this. So what you need is you need to again come up here and SMrush, open smrush.com, and then enter the URL of this website. Just copy it and again come up here and see what type of pages, getting what type of pages are actually ranked in the results, in the Google results, and how you can actually copy all of those pages and then create tools using AI. So first what you need is you need to see costumemeller.com. So it takes a while to show you with authority scored, organic search traffic, paid traffic, and backlinks, all of these things. So this is a small website. Authority is 6, organic traffic is 1, and basically, this is a website where which you can copy. That's why I'm showing you guys that. So what you need is you need to again come up here, top organic keywords, and then see what type of pages this website is ranked on, and how many traffic this website is actually getting from Google. So open this. You can also check each and everything about this website, each and everything about this blog, from pages to, here you can see keyword overview, build keyword strategy builder, and then keyword gaps, organic search, domain overview. But the point in here is we want to see right now the pages that are actually ranking, and that are actually copy you know that we can actually copy and build pages, and then we can actually get ranking on Google. So positions, topics, here you can see comparators, page subdomains, position changes. So with step by step, you have to look up all of these things, and you can also export all of these pages. Here you can see export. So export all of these pages. You can also set the position from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, and then see what type of pages they are, what type of pages are ranking, and what type of, from where this website is getting traffic from. See all of those things, and then try to copy all of the things. If you don't know how to create website, if you don't know how to create tools, what you need is you need to come up on AI like ChatGPT. I'm opening this up. It takes a while, and then just open any tool. Like, let me open this custom size calculator. So click on this page. I don't know, use this tool. Click on use this tool. So just look up at this. This is a basic simple page. You can create it. You can also, just copy this page and then again come up on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT that, hey, ChatGPT, I need to know that how you can. I need help. I need help. you to create me this type of, costume size calculator if you give me the HTML or CSS code so that I can check it on. There's a website which is, you can also, ask ChatGPT that I need to check the HTML and CSS on my website, what tools I need to use. So you can also check out, you can also, ask what type of tools the AI will recommend you in order to check that, if this calculator is working on, if the code is working or not. So you can put it on your website. So I guess that's pretty much it. You need to see each of these things: overview, positions, position changes, comparators, topics, subdomains. So these are the basic things. First, create a website using you, if you think that you don't have investment for WordPress or, for hosting or domain, you can create website on site.google.com, which is a free platform by Google. So you can create a website there. You can design the website. If you think, if you're like that, you don't know how to create websites, so you can comment. I'm going to, I will create a video on that. So the best thing is, this website is actually monetized with Google AdSense. So this website is making a good amount of money. If you just see the traffic and from where this website is getting traffic and how much traffic this website is getting. So 420 monthly visitors. So this website is getting traffic from United States. Here you can see 100% from USA. So it will eventually earn a good amount of money because, tier 1 countries pays a good amount of money. I hope that's pretty much it. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. What you need is, again, I'm saying this, check these all of these things. Check the niche, put the site in SEMrush and check out all of these things, from where the pages are getting traffic, what type of pages are there, and how you can actually create it. Check the page, how many pages site have, export all of these pages, copy the site. So these are the points which is important to understand. If you have any question, do let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.